morning everyone, it's Rachel here and I'm just going to do a quick flip through of these little journals. Now the tutorial or the video for the little bags is coming up later today, but I'm going to do the flip through and put the video up earlier just to capture more time zones. So because I always get complaint because I always put things late in the day and then the Aussies are asleep and all that sort of thing. So the little mini journals are complete. They are in their bags. They have a little something in there that the video is coming up on Friday. So I'm organized this week. I'm not going to pull those out. You can see that on Friday. And this one is possibly spoken for. So I'll go through that one first. So they're little drawstring bags, and then the journals that we've been working on for about 3 weeks are inside. I don't want to pull anything out. So I'll just quickly show you the bag. Sorry, I'm pulling things out. I'm not showing that. This is bag one. That's the other side, and they pull very nicely and are super cute. So, and this is its little journal, and we worked on this, so you will have seen this over the last few weeks, and it's from my Friday videos, and it's the no-sew journal, and we mostly worked on it together, made everything and put things in there. So very, very fun journal, good for beginners. No sewing or anything like that. But sometimes I usually forget to do flip throughs of these sorts of things, so I thought I'll do it now so I don't forget. Made that. Lots of fun things in there. I put something in there. I'll leave that as a surprise. And fabric juju tag. Flip that out. So very, very easy journal to make for someone. So that's that one. I'll put that over there with its bag. Then I have the other, Christmas one. And this is its bag here, which I love. They took a bit of time to do, but I did thoroughly enjoy making them. And I'm just going to pull it out, excuse me, off screen for a second. I've just got to, they fit nicely. And I did have kits for them to even make the bag as well with fabric, but they've gone. I will probably do some more next week. So this is also a Christmas one, but it was with the softer cover. So lots of lovely things in here as well. And I think that's a nice little journal to work in at Christmas if you don't want to do something big to document family events and things that you're doing throughout December. Of course, pages can be, I think that's so cute. That's one of my favorite bits there. Pages can be extended, whatever you like. Another little juju-esque thing. Oh, I need to make another one of those. I really like that. How am I going to remember that? Oh, lovely. Okay. Well, I'll leave it out and maybe I'll make one and keep one so that way I remember. So I'm not pulling everything out. That flips out just simply because we did a lot of it on camera. It's that one. I love this. I will pull that one out. Look at that. I backed it with that. You can actually write on that with a dark, you know, like a #1 felt tip pen. Put some of my favorite ephemera in as well. Love that little journal card. And that was just a piece of paper that I'd swoosh paint on. It was an under paper and it's green, so I thought you could continue on and have fun with that. So that's that one. They're pretty quick to go through, so I'm not taking too much time on them. And then this was not Christmas, though not everybody celebrates Christmas. That's its gorgeous bag. That's Italian churches, but I just thought I love the colours in it. And this is the little non-Christmas journal. Again, and it's more botanical. So there's lots of things in here. Similar to the other ones, but just a mix of not Christmassy papers. You may not have seen me working on I took some things out of things that I already had as well. I had to make a few things, but I'd already made these things with you guys over an amount of time. All that stuff. There we go. Yeah, I made these a while back. So that was lucky I had those to be able to put that in there to be able to complete this journal. think I put some old, I put in there. Oh, that's one of the old folded letters to write on. So a nice big journaling spot there. So that's how you can add lots of journaling spots, is having, you know, big folded things that you can actually write on. That's real. Oh, it looked like it was scanned for a minute, but it's actual. That one. Love that. And then that's the back. Oh, I need to put "This book belongs to" there. So that will have that when it's in my shop. So those are the cute little journals and their bags. I love the little bags, and they have it. Oops, they have a little surprise as well. And that video you'll see on Friday. And just a wonderful little gift idea. Even just the bags alone are a great gift idea. And just a nice another way to show these, you know, show how you can use fabrics without stitching. These, of course, have stitching. Oh, you can't. I don't think it would last having gluing fabric on fabric. You do need to stitch it. But for those who stitch, these bags are super fun. So thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you again soon. Bye.